So as I was talking about a confusion matrices, the next one which comes into a picture is called as accuracy. So how we are going to calculate an accuracy, that what is the percentage that my model is accurate, or what is a percentage that model is not accurate. Now, so formula for accuracy. Formula for accuracy is basically true positive plus, true negative divided by true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus false negative. Yeah. So this is basically going to give you a accuracy of a model. Now, with respect to the previous example, which I have already shown it to you. So here we have a true positive is equal to 4. True negative is equals to 3. So 4 plus 3 divided by the total number of the data. So you can say true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus a false negative. So here, if I'm going to put up the value, so I can try to say that 4 plus 3 divided by 4 plus 3 plus false positive we have, right? So false positive value is basically 1, 1 plus 2. So false positive is 1 and false negative is basically 2. So eventually it is going to give me 0.70. So if I'm trying to use a model, and if this is the prediction my model is going to give, so in that situation, we can say that my model is 70% accurate at a time. So whenever I'm going to use a model on a particular data set which model has not seen, so in that situation, my model is 70% accurate. 70% I can say like correct. So 70% of the time my model is going to give me a correct prediction, and 30% of the time my model is going to fail. Now there is a space of an improvement for my model basically, right? So my model can try to improvise itself, and based on that, maybe we can try to make a better and better model. But yeah, this is something called as accuracy, and every time you are going to use this particular parameter, as simple as that. And again, it's getting derived from your confusion matrices itself. Confusion matrix is basically a base for all of these things. So with that, thank you so much everyone. Take care and see you again in my next chapter.